Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to adjust your notifications on Mastodon. So let's get started. First, we're gonna start off by clicking on the settings icon in our top right corner. As you can see, the first option we have is for our mode. Now we're gonna swipe up and we're gonna see notify me when anyone. So all our notifications are now on. By just tapping on them, you can turn them all off and you can select what you want to receive notifications from this app. So example, we want to receive notification when someone reblogs my post and favorites my post. And then we're gonna click on done to lock in the changes. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.